Have you ever tried making poached eggs, only to end up with a pot full of wispy egg whites and a broken yolk? You're not alone. Poached eggs have a reputation for being difficult, but the truth is that they're actually quite simple once you know a few tricks. Today, I'm going to show you easy ways to make perfect poached eggs, from the classic chef-approved method to foolproof hacks that anyone can do at home. Let's kick things off with a method that consistently delivers some of the most delicate poached eggs imaginable. Steaming is my personal favorite when I want an egg with incredibly tender whites, a perfectly runny yolk, and a beautiful shape. It's gentle, reliable, and surprisingly easy. Here's how to do it. Start by pouring about an inch of water into a pot and bringing it to a gentle simmer. You're looking for small, lazy bubbles, not a vigorous boil. While the water heats up, grab a fresh egg. Freshness is especially important when poaching because fresher eggs have thicker whites that stay together much better during cooking. Next, take a small heat-proof bowl. Add about half a tablespoon of water to the bowl, then carefully crack the egg into it. Now place a steamer basket into the pot, making sure the water level stays below the basket. Carefully place the bowl onto the steamer basket and cover the pot with a lid. The trapped steam creates a gentle cooking environment that slowly sets the egg without disturbing its shape. Let it steam for about 6 minutes. One of the biggest advantages of this method is that the egg never touches the water. That means no strands, no broken whites, and no stressful swirling. The egg stays neatly contained and cooks into a beautiful oval shape. After about 6 minutes, carefully remove the lid and check the egg. The white should be completely opaque and set, while the center should still have a slight jiggle. That jiggle is exactly what you want. It means the yolk is still perfectly runny. Carefully lift the bowl from the steamer basket. After, gently loosen the egg with a spoon and slide it onto a plate. And there you have it. A beautifully shaped poached egg with silky, tender whites and a rich, molten yolk. If you're new to poaching, this is easily the most beginner-friendly method. It's low risk, nearly foolproof, and perfect when you want 1 or 2 restaurant-quality eggs with minimal effort. The next method is by far the fastest. It is the microwave hack. If you need a poached egg in under 2 minutes, then this method is hard to beat. It's surprisingly effective and perfect for busy mornings, dorm rooms, hotel stays, or any time firing up a stovetop feels like too much work. Here's how it works. Take a microwave-safe mug or small bowl and fill it with about half a cup of water. Carefully crack an egg into the water, making sure the egg is completely submerged. Next, loosely cover the mug or bowl with a microwave-safe plate or lid. The goal is to trap some steam for efficient cooking, but not seal it so tightly that pressure builds up inside. Now microwave on high for about 45 to 60 seconds. Once the timer goes off, don't remove it immediately. Let the egg sit in the hot water for another 30 seconds. This gentle resting period helps finish the cooking and gives you a more evenly cooked egg. Carefully remove the bowl from the microwave. It will be hot. And use a slotted spoon to lift the egg onto a plate. And just like that, you have a poached egg with almost no cleanup and virtually no effort. Now, here are a few important tips that can make this method even more reliable. First, if you have a powerful microwave, then consider gently piercing the yolk with a toothpick before cooking. This tiny hole acts like a pressure release valve and helps prevent the yolk from bursting. Second, microwave wattages vary dramatically. One microwave may cook the egg perfectly in 45 seconds, while another may need a full minute. Test with a single egg first to find the sweet spot for your microwave. And finally, this is one of the few poaching methods that works almost anywhere. Whether you're in a dorm room, office kitchenette, hotel room, or small apartment, all you need is a microwave, a bowl, and an egg. It may not be the most traditional approach, but when you're short on time, it's an incredibly convenient way to enjoy a perfectly poached egg. Before we move on to the final method, please let me know in the comments where you're watching from. It's always amazing to see people joining from different parts of the world, and I'd love to know where you're tuning in from. Our final method is the ladle method. This technique is similar to traditional water poaching, but with a clever twist that gives you much more control over the shape of the egg. It's a little more hands-on than the other methods, but the results are undeniably elegant. Start by filling a pot with water and bringing it to a gentle simmer. You want the water just below a boil. If the water is too aggressive, the egg white can break apart. Too cool, and the egg won't set properly. Now take your metal ladle and grease it gently. After, crack a fresh egg into it. A chilled egg can actually help here because the thicker white tends to hold together a little better during cooking. Now carefully lower the ladle into the simmering water so that the tip of the ladle is partially submerged. The hot water gently begins cooking the outer layer of the egg, while the ladle keeps everything neatly contained. Cook for another 3 to 4 minutes for a runny yolk, or slightly longer if you prefer a firmer center. When it's done, pull out your formed pouch. Drain out the water and then transfer it to a plate. The result is a beautifully shaped poached egg with firm whites hugging the yolk, and very little of the messy feathering that often happens with traditional poaching. If you've struggled with the classic traditional method, the ladle method is an excellent middle ground. You get the traditional poached egg appearance, but with far more control and consistency. And there you have it. 3 easy ways to make perfect poached eggs at home. Whether you prefer the gentle steaming method, the lightning-fast microwave hack, or the elegant ladle technique, there's a method here for every kitchen and every skill level. The best part is that once you find the method that works for you, poached eggs stop being intimidating and become one of the easiest, healthiest, and most delicious ways to enjoy eggs. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Which of these methods are you most excited to try? Or do you have a favorite poaching technique that I didn't mention? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Your likes, comments, and support help these videos reach more people and allow me to keep sharing practical, science-backed food tips every week. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.